Hey guys, so today we have these fun ball bubble fidget toys to show you. So these are going to be great for child and parent interaction. Okay, bud. So what's fun about these is that they're nice and stress relieving, great for your kids' development, for brain development. The other thing that's fun is you can do little challenges with your kids and see who can push more little bulbs in. Can you push yours in, buddy? Push them in. Let's see who can get more. Push them in. Can you push them in? Here. There you go. Push yours in. Can you push yours in? All right, whoever can get more in on theirs wins. So guys, these are gonna be great. Bright colors, round shape, made of non-BPA and non-toxic silicone, food grade. They're durable, clean, and 100% safe. Not easily deformed or punctured. They're very soft to the touch, and as you can see, they are fun for all ages. So you're able to give each one of your kids a ball and just watch them have a great time.